Welcome everyone. In this video, I'll talk about last parts of speech. Interjection. Question is, what is an interjection? An interjection is a short word or phrase that shows emotion. It often stands alone, unconnected to a sentence. There are no particular rules as to where interjections should be placed in a sentence, but most often they are seen to appear in the beginning of a sentence. They are used to form exclamatory sentences. Key points: interjections are not normally used in formal writing. They are common in speech. It is frequently used in informal and fiction writing. They show emotions such as anger, surprise, and interest, as well as convey hesitation. Examples: hooray. It is used to express happiness. Hooray, we won the match. Ouch, that really hurt badly. Wow, that is a beautiful dress indeed. Oh my god, that was unexpected. Whoa, that guy is unbelievably huge. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.